Welcome to EstateIQ, Intelligent Estate Solutions. Meet EVA, the EstateIQ Virtual Assistant. EVA specializes in all things estate related. Your estate will have provided specific information that EVA is trained on, such as the code of conduct, supplier contact details, and other important estate documentation. This includes contact information for plumbers, electricians, maintenance providers, and more. Ask EVA anything estate related. Let's take a look at a few examples. What do the estate rules say about keeping pets? EVA answers your queries using the exact information provided by your estate. If your question is broad, the response will be general and detailed. If your question is specific, the response will be more targeted. EVA will include relevant estate contact information in the response, if available. If your estate is subscribed to the EstateIQ Portal, EVA will also provide a clickable link so you can complete the application form directly. Let's look at another example. Can I install a gas stove in my unit? EVA will respond with any specifications your estate has included in the code of conduct or other estate rules. Another example. Do I need permission to renovate my bathroom? EVA will provide all the necessary estate-specific information, outlining rules, guidelines, and any required notification periods. If your estate is subscribed, EVA will also provide the form link for submission via the EstateIQ Portal. Have a look at the left sidebar menu. Your chat history is saved here. If you right-click on a chat, you'll see options to share, rename, archive, or delete the chat. For easy lookup later, I will rename the chat. That's EVA, your virtual estate assistant. Ask any estate-related questions. Get answers instantly. Next up, meet Ella, your EstateIQ legislative assistant.